Hey people, so we are at this place called Beijing Bites, and Chiku, I would say if you could probably I will just taste it like this. This is called Tom Yaki, and this is for like 395, so it's on the higher side, really. How does it taste?
Good.
It tastes like sushi, really.
It's so good.
Yeah. Wow, my son knows how to eat it with a.
Why does it cross it?
If you were to take a look at the ambience, it's pretty cute, and I just cannot struggle with the. Might as well have it like this. Yeah, sushi tastes like sushi, really. So it's on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it, Ayush?
9 on 10.
Sushi is an acquired taste, but once you start eating it, you begin to like it. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy my meal. This is at Beijing Bites, and you have 4 vegetarian options. We've tried one, maybe we'll come back and try the others. But yeah, Aish, yeah, you could have it with your hands.
Yeah, this one.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's a full 10. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.